Now we have, again, a second story from the same company, LEK Pharmaceuticals, presented by Guy Stauber.
How many of you would help and think about it, what we can do as development and what we can do as community? Do you know how many people suffer from type 2 diabetes? Please raise your hands. At least someone. But how many of you would help to those people if you've been able to and get the opportunity? I see some hands. Great. So this was one of the crucial reasons to develop our innovation and potentially help those people. More than 300 million people suffer from that disease. And type 2 diabetes is associated with 10-year shortened life expectancy. We wanted to do something that counts. We were brainstorming and decided to listen to the nature. We went back to our nature and back to our roots. Let me tell you one example. In human body, iron is involved in transformation of blood sugar into energy, which allows our muscles to work at their optimum during exercise. This inspired our experimental work to imitate these particular reactions from nature in our labs. We successfully invented bio-inspired catalytic system based on iron and in presence of green simple compounds like amino sugars for direct coupling of different molecules. We use this methodology in preparation of crucial material in the alternative process to anti-diabetic drug. In this particular case, if we would like to go from starting molecule A to target molecule D, you would usually go from A to B, then to C, and finally to target molecule D. This is approach which most of our competitors are using. With our innovation, we can go straight from starting molecule A to target molecule D. With this approach, we significantly lowered the amount of waste, we influence on better cost efficiency of the process, and with all that, we opened the road towards green and sustainable development. This biomimetic innovation has been already protected in 2 international granted patents. And even more, I am proud to say that also 2 scientific papers were published in very distinguished scientific journals in order to trigger new way of thinking and approach on this field of research. All this would never happen without a strong team with excellent team spirit and knowledge. Beginning was challenging, but with curious and can-do attitude, we made this scientific achievement possible. Many eyes see more than one, and collaboration between LEK and Faculty of Pharmacy, University of Ljubljana was key to solution. In 70 years of development in LEK and 20 years of existence of Novartis, we are still developing products and innovations with values and high potential. I hope and believe that with this innovation, we could enable to our patients access to safe, efficient, and affordable anti-diabetic drug. Moreover, with our green approach, we could contribute to healthier environment we are living in. So let's drive innovation spirit forward, stronger, together with values. Thank you.
And now the rest of the team, please join us for the last of the award ceremony giving. Now at this point I will thank also the audience on the other side in Ljubljana at Forum of Innovations to having been with us. As embassies are concerned, we'll come later to you. Thank you very much.